if you're experiencing login errors on Bank of America's website or app, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that caps lock is not on. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache or app data. If you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. If you're on the app, try clearing the app data or reinstalling the app to eliminate any corrupted files. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy server, try disabling it. Sometimes these services can interfere with your ability to connect to the bank's servers. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Bank of America's customer support. They can provide assistance and help you resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix login errors and regain access to your Bank of America account.